Jaljayo. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day, we're going to talk all about the phrase Jaljayo. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word or phrase 129. Jaljayo. Jaljayo. This is composed of two words. The first word is jal, and the second word is composed of two syllables, namely ja and yo. Pronounce it with me. Jaljayo. Jaljayo is a Korean phrase that means sleep well or good night, and this is in polite form. How do we spell Jaljayo in Hangeul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write Jal in Hangeul, we need to draw first a Jiut character, followed by an A character, followed by a real character. For the second syllable Ja, we need to draw first a Jiut character, followed by an A character. For the second syllable Yo, we need to draw first an Iyon character, followed by a Yo character. And then we just have to combine the Hangeul for each of the syllables to form the Hangeul of the word or phrase Jaljayo. Let's look into this example phrase. It says, sleep well. Again, sleep well. The Korean translation of sleep well is Jaljayo itself. Again, it's Jaljayo. Just a bit more of information about Jaljayo. Jal is a word that means well. Jayo, which we already know before, is the present tense form of jada, which means to sleep. How is jada transformed into jayo? It's the usual process. We'll remove da to leave behind ja, and since the ending vowel sound of ja is a or o, we'll be adding ayo. So ja plus ayo is jayo. And that's it. Jayo is the present tense form of jada. Again, jal means well, jayo means sleep. So this combined would mean sleep well. So now we already know that jaljayo means sleep well. But take note that this can also be used to say good night. Again, jaljayo means sleep well. And with that, you've just learned Jaljayo. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 119 to 128. But don't forget, our phrase for today is Jaljayo, which is a standard or polite way of saying sleep well or good night. Word number 128 is uri. This is a pronoun which means we or our. Word number 127 is uyu, and this is the Korean noun for milk. Word number 126 is sada. This is a root verb which means to buy. Word number 125 is yoja, and this is the Korean noun for woman. Word number 124 is namja, and this is the Korean noun for man. Word number 123 is jata. This is a root verb which means to sleep. Word number 122 is himne, and this is an informal way of saying cheer up. Word number 121 is jebal, and this is used to say please. Word or phrase number 120 is joshime, and this is used to say be careful. the last for our review is word number 119, coffee. And this is the Korean noun for coffee. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.